Be young.
This is Roach Coach with another episode today. We're gonna go ahead and doing an unboxing on my ACT clutch kit that I purchased. Also, we're gonna be doing getting my flywheel resurfaced. Also, doing a oil change into my truck. This is my project truck. Having got into it lately because I did purchase it, but the people that had the truck before, they plastic dipped the truck, so it's taking me forever to take this plastic dip off. So that's another thing we'll be doing today, is just doing an oil change on the project truck. Besides that, I'm gonna take you guys with me today, see what we could get going. And don't forget to subscribe, because I am gonna be giving out those 1.8 Raceland headers for the Miata. I also have I am gonna be giving away some merchandise, some shirts, some Roach Coach shirts. So don't forget to subscribe, share the video, like the video, and all right, let's get going. All right, fam. Well, first I gotta get some food, so we're gonna go get some sushi real quick. Closest spot to my house, so let's see what we could go get real quick.
Run it up, big bed, big bed, big bed.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. All right.
Can I get a menu to go?
Here you go.
Thank you.
You can have a seat if you want to sit.
Alright, so I just ordered some food real quick, just gonna wait on that. Alright, so I just picked up my order. Let's head on up to the shop. We'll go to the smog shop. After I go to the smog shop, I'm gonna go to the Clutch Masters and get my flywheel resurfaced. So let's go ahead and head that way. You're out?
Catch you later, bro.
Got you, Doc.
That's just over here.
What's up, Aunt?
Another one if you ain't tripping.
Say hi.
No, I just say.
Yeah. All right, so we're at Clutch Masters. This is my flywheel. So I'm just gonna take these bolts off real quick, and then turn in the flywheel. Pretty much just gonna show you guys the before and after. I don't know if I could take my camera inside, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take this in there, and then I'll come back out once I get the flywheel ready, and then I'll show you guys a before and after. We're back home. So this is how my flywheel ended up turning out. Pretty good. I like it. Just need to clean it up. You can kind of see like the patterns of the machine that was done, which is pretty good. I like it. I was gonna buy an aftermarket one, but I wasn't really looking up to it, so I ended up just resurfacing my flywheel at Clutch Masters. And yeah, so this is the unboxing I was talking about. This is my ACT clutch kit, and then also I bought some gold heat tape from my engine bay off of Amazon. So yeah, let's get to it and get this unboxing real quick of this clutch, and I'll take you guys with me to go while I go put on my tape.
Big big bet, big bet, big bet. Cashing that big bet, smoking that big.
All right, so this is how it comes in the kit. They give you your release bearing in a little box. I'm not gonna open that up. They give you your pilot bearing, your alignment tool. Also, they give you your clutch. It's nice and sealed. Pretty good. I like it. Let's go and check out the rest. Your pressure plate. This is the one I ordered. I ordered heavy duty. ACT. There's a number. You know, that's what I ended up looking for. I was gonna buy another type of clutch kit, but this was I've seen people run this one, so I just went with this one. And for the power that I'm gonna be pushing, this is perfect. So yeah, that's the unboxing of my clutch kit. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and let me show you guys this tape that I'm gonna put on. Let's go ahead and get this to the back.
Big bet, big bet. Get in that big bet, run it up, big bet, big bet. Winning that big bet, big bet, big bet, big bet. Cashing that big bet, smoking that big bet, big bet. Dice games, no small change. Dime bags in them hallways. Young hustlers trying to get paid. Mention Rialto, bet they speak my name. Buy the city bag, want my family on the block. Buy a liquor store, no tax. Gas station, cause I keep the gas. Got a plan, gotta put the city on the map, right? In the city, under street lights. Get ready, pick you up, let's go grab something to eat like Brothers Pizza, we can hit the
This is when I put up on all the tape. Not all of it. Looks like I have a lot left, but oh shit. Alright fam, so this is pretty much it. I only wanted to do that piece. I still have extra. I might end up wrapping some of my intercooler piping with it, but this will be pretty much it for this one. That's all I wanted to end up wrapping up, just this part. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and start doing the oil change on my Silverado. So have you guys there with me. Alright fam, so I was having you guys with the oil change, but my GoPro died. So I did do the oil change on my truck. Big suggestion, on a 5.3, please don't use one of those little ones. You're gonna have to use like 2 of those if you're gonna do that. And yeah, I already did the oil change. I just got the oil out of the oil in, but yeah, pain in the ass when you use those small ones. That's it for today. I'm gonna be at the burn yard tomorrow, so you know, I'll be over there at the Hoonigan yard in Irwindale. I'm gonna post up some content about that tomorrow. I'm gonna take you guys with me, take you guys all the way there, show you guys everything. So peace.
First date, you know I do it proper. Dairy Queen with some blue dreams, she top it off, no whipped cream. Compliments on how my